The Citizen Open House is back the 12th to 14th of October at the Solution Centre down in Bushy. Great example of some of the machines you'll see. This is the L12 with LFV technology, tried and tested with its 5th anniversary on the LFV technology. Next machine is this, the L20 ATC. It's got a 12-station tool carousel with a fully programmable B-axis. Great example of some of the parts they can manufacture on there. There you see. There you go. It's a nice example of some of the components. An unusual machine, the GN 4200, sub-micron accuracy on this machine. And then behind me, the workhorse of the range, the L32 Type 8, entry-level machine, but still capable of doing some really complex parts, milling on the front and the back. Plus, it's also got a long parts catcher. That's a Citizen Machinery Open House, 12th to 14th of October. Get yourself registered via their website.